Hey folks, this is me Shomo, and this is my project for the NFT hacks. So my project is basically NFT widget maker. So as of now, I have seen many folks buying and selling NFTs. Many DAOs and many organizations, many companies are actually launching NFTs. They're doing drops. But the basic thing that I've noticed right now, it's very difficult to actually share like NFT specific information across platforms. Say, for example, I'll just give a parallel example in Web2. For example, if I have a GitHub, so what I can do, or if I'm launching a product on Product Hunt, so what I get from Product Hunt is basically a widget and tweet and other features. One of them is widget, which I can append to my blog, I can append to my website, I can append to my newsletter, my storefront, so that people can actually be able to understand, like, not just the website or like the newsletter in isolation, but are also linked to other features or like other widgets that are other facilities that are provided by the widget itself. So as of now, I have seen that only OpenSea has provided a facility for a widget, and what it helps us do is basically like just have a single widget form that has a buy button from which you can actually buy an NFT, but that's it. But you don't get a user level information, or say, for example, a collection level information, or an NFT specific information widget, or even an auction specific information. So those kinds of widgets are absent, and that is why I've actually built this project. So this has very little to do per se regarding like minting an NFT or like buying NFT, selling NFT, but more about creating a utility function. So I'll just so this is just one random address, and so I'll just refresh and like make this. So what we have here is basically a form. You can see here you can basically get a user widget or a collection specific widget, NFT specific widget, and an auction specific widget. So these are the corresponding information that you need to provide. Say, for example, I provide address here. I provide the chain here. So here chain can be Ethereum, Polygon. So here, since I'm using NFT port, and NFT port currently provides the information from Ethereum and Polygon chain. So right now that's that. And obviously OpenSea also does similar things. So these two APIs are interchangeable. Where I've used OpenSea API is basically in this one, where I'm actually providing the collection slug, because the sort of information that NFT port provides through their collection API is not very extensive, but then again, that's that. NFT widget, again, I'm using from NFT port, and auction widget, for that I'm using Zora API. Although this has not been fully implemented, but like ideally, what this would be is basically a widget that will give a timer that you can append to your website, your newsletter, your storefront, so that people can actually understand and like see how the whole thing is doing. And since it's a widget and since it's fetching data from NFTs, it's basically real time. So I'll just provide an information here. I can provide the Ethereum chain here. I can do a submit. I'll get a script. So basically what happens is when you get this script is basically, say, for example, this is my code. So this is just one another random, say, for example, anybody has created a new website. Say, for example, I'm the NFT creator. I have created the website. So what I can do is I can basically take this specific code. I can actually go to this place. I can actually paste this script here, and I can show how it looks like when you actually do. So for example, this is the page, this is the 5050 port. So basically this is the widget that this above is my widget. This fetches my information regarding which NFT I own. So basically this can contain any sort of information. Right now it's a very basic one. So it provides the names of the widgets, like later we can have pictures and stuff. And this is the widget that NFT OpenSea provides. So this is a very basic one, but here we can actually customize and like stuff as many information, and this ideally we can put anywhere, right? Storefront, our newsletter, our own website, and sort of. So that's that. So that's my project. Yeah.